Hi everyone, so this is the simple tutorial that I'm going to show you using the exotic scarf here, or exotic spice scarf. I think I figured it out. So I just have this tied simply back here. And just going to take one of your tails. Both of the tails will be equal length. You'll take this one, bring it over this side, take this bottom one, and tie it, kind of like a beginner's luck knot. So you have it tied like this, and you're going to take the bottom tail and you're going to turn the whole thing upwards. And then with this tail at the bottom, flatten out as well as you can and just tuck it underneath this part here. Just like that. And you can move this whole thing backwards. Now, with this tail, take the insides here, flip them inside, you're going to take this part here and wrap it around through the back. Just like that, and you can adjust the scarf as you go. And there you go. And you can fluff it out, make it bigger, make it smaller, tugging here and there. I couldn't figure out exactly what I did, but this was the closest that I could get. So if you're playing around with it and you manage to make it just like what I had in that picture, definitely tell me, because I would also like to know. All right, bye.